everybody. How's everybody doing? My name's Daniel Parsons. Some of you guys may have seen me active on Facebook in Traffic Dominations and in the 30 Days group. I've been doing the training with Wayne now for maybe a year or so, and I just thought I'd run these videos as a way to sort of help people get set up and get started with Traffic Domination and the free list building training. A little bit about the free list building training. If you haven't started the free list building training and you're sitting on the fence and wondering what it's all about, first of all it's free training, 100% free, and it's all about building your email list so that you have this asset of all these contacts that you can then send your offers to or send information to, and sort of create relationships with or whatever you want to do. Wayne, as you can see on this photo here, he's the main guy behind Traffic Domination, and this is his training, and this shows you this is just step one. So when you sign up to do the free list building training, this is the first page you're going to go to, and there's 11 steps, but the first step is just really an explanation about what's it all about and how you get started and everything else, and then all the other steps from there are really about you getting set up and getting yourself started and getting your business set up online. And it's a really, really good way to start because I started my online journey maybe a year or so ago, and I went maybe more than that, and I went through a lot of different programs, and I never settled on one that was really making any sense or that was actually helping me to make any money online. What I found out a lot with these programs is that once you get into them, you realize they're all pretty much the same. What Wayne's got to offer here with the free list building training is something really, really unique. And that is about building up your internet list, how to work with your list as well, of people as well, sending offers to your people. How do you send offers? How do you make commissions, affiliates, all that sort of stuff? And it's just brilliant. I mean, it's just what I wish I would have started with, and I most probably would have saved myself quite a few $1,000s in the process. I'll talk about things a little bit more as we move through the training in my next videos. But basically, what I'm going to do here is that when you do the Traffic Domination training, there's 11 videos. They're all quite short, and you can actually get yourself, if you go through them all, in a day, you could get them all done, but you should keep them on file because you'll want to go back and just review stuff and pick up all these little golden nuggets. And sure, if you go through it all, you're going to have questions. So what I've decided to do is I've decided to put this series of YouTube videos together, and I'm going to be putting 10 or 11 videos together about the list building training. And all I'm going to do is basically mimic what Wayne's doing in his training, but I'm going to be offering some additional, things maybe that have been not that Wayne's forgotten because he's done a great job, but questions that I've seen people come up with and ask in the Facebook group and stuff like that. And I thought I'd just do that on a lesson by lesson basis, so that if you're in list building and you're in step 2 and you've got a problem and you're not sure how to do something, then you can go to my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, and you can look for step 2. You can review Wayne's video, then look at my step 2, and then you can ask questions at the bottom, and then I'll jump on and I'll help you out. That's really the idea about doing this video and this series of videos as well. So first thing you should do today, obviously, if you haven't signed up yet, sign up for it. If you signed up for the free list building training, then you need to go on and do lesson 1, which is step 1, and how does it all work, and Wayne explains everything in there for you, and it's only like a 4-minute lesson, so go through that, and then underneath every video there'll be steps that you need to do, which is on this one it says join our free Facebook group, and I've also got links at the bottom as well of this YouTube video which shows you where to sign up to those links if you need to as well. Alright, so that's it. Until the second video, let you go through this one here. It's just an explanation about what it's all about and nothing really to do on my side on this one. But if you have any immediate questions, about step one, then drop them in below, and I'll get back to you and I'll answer your questions, and we can get you started and get you moving forward. All right. Until then, cheers. Bye.